all, my name is Ananya Dalmia and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so let me just get straight to the point in this video because I'm supposed to attend this Wishlink event and it's supposed to start at 1 o'clock. Right now it's 12:25 and I have not done my makeup, I have not figured out my outfit and I really don't know how if I even if I will make it or not. I really don't even know that. So yeah, I mean yesterday I was like, okay, I'm gonna wake up early and then I'm gonna decide my outfit, but now I have no time. And now I'm freaking out a little bit because it's already 12:25 and the event is supposed to start at 1 and I don't even know what I'm gonna wear. It's very hectic, okay? Thankfully the place is within like 15 minutes from where I live, so that's great. This is a changed location. उनकी जो कल location आई थी, that was half an hour from my place and उसमें तो I would have like dead. So ठीक है, let's get started. So you know I've just put on some primer. So it's this one by Colorbar. It's so good, like such a good blurring effect because I do have a lot of marks right now, but I just absolutely love this particular primer. I'm gonna link it down below just in case you wanna buy it. Guys, I am already late and can you see what just happened? Can you look at this? I tried to fix it, but it's not looking good, so I probably will have to remove it. But like, shit, I am already late. Like, can life please like bear with me? I have removed it like a little bit. Like, can you see that? And this is how you should. You just don't go and scrape your eyes with the micellar water. You keep it over there so that it soaks in the product and then you remove it. I hope it doesn't happen to anyone, but like just in case, this is literally the worst feeling ever. So this is the brush that I did my foundation with. I'm just gonna, a little bit like this, and then this is the brush that I did my concealer with. This is what I'm gonna do because obviously I'm not going to put on any product over this or it's just going to ruin the whole look. Now this is what I used for blending my eyeshadows, but it's not working, so I'm gonna take a bit more. By the way, I use these Mars palette, but I am going to upgrade to Huda Beauty real soon once I get that perfect eyeshadow routine because I'm not a big eyeshadow person. I don't like to experiment with my eyeshadows. I mean, when I went to IIT Roorkee, that is the only time that I went ahead with goldens and silver. Like, I'm not a silver person, but I did silver and it looked absolutely amazing. So I know for sure that I can do it. I can pull off some looks, बट मैं ऐसा कहीं जाती नहीं हूँ कि मैं इतने हैवी मेकअप लुक्स करूँ. लाइक सिल्वर इज़ द एक्सट्रीम दैट आई हैव एवर डिड and I absolutely loved it. It was looking really good on me. I don't have any pictures and even if I do, my eyeshadow visible नहीं है, but it looked amazing. ठीक है, so I fixed it. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my eyeliner again and I hope I don't mess it up this time. I like to put on very thin eyeliners. That's the only thing that looks good on my face. And this is happening after such a really long time. Matlab, I put on eyeliners very often for shoots and everything, and this aaj hi hu na. I think maybe because I am literally in such a hurry. Now I'm gonna put on some mascara. This one is also, I use this Kaya mascara and the Mars one is also really good, but I also want to try different mascaras. Like, I'm bored of Mars and Maybelline, so just maybe recommend me some of your favorite mascaras and I'll go ahead and buy them because it's over. How the fuck am I supposed to fix this now? Like, I have no idea. Just go with this highlighter because the shimmers over here, they are really strong and I don't want that, so I'm just gonna use this pink one. It looks beautiful, by the way, and I don't want to make it too strong because it's just a Christmas themed event, so obviously not a lot, but something that's like sparkly. Okay, now putting on the blush, I use this one by Simply Nam and it's my absolute favorite in the shade Partnering Crime, like Rosy Pink. इट्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. इट्स मैंने इसको इतना यूज़ कर लिया कि इसकी हालत ऐसी हो गई है, एंड मैं इसको अब कैसे यूज़ कर रही हूँ मैं ही जानती हूँ. सो आई प्रॉब्ली नीड टू बाय अनदर. आई लव cream blushes. They just make you look so dewy and like blushy. Very, very nice. I love it. And I do have blush blindness, so don't judge. It's all going to settle down. Trust the process. Just trust the process, okay guys? And cream blushes are the best if you put them by hand and not by using any brush. Like you can settle it down with a brush but not like apply it with a brush. I'm gonna use this powder brush to just settle it all in. I'm just gonna use this brush, dip it in my cream blush, and then I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my chin because I do not like the fact that there is a blush, a color basically just on one part of my face. So I'm just gonna do this. Okay, I absolutely love these lipsticks from Mars. They are the Mars Drip Lip Mist. I wear them all the time. Even today I'm gonna wear them and you will just look at this beauty. Okay. You know, the only thing that I'm afraid of currently is these two products getting over because they're literally out of stock everywhere. And if I will not be able to repurchase them, I will be so sad. And I'm done. I need to put on more blush. I'll just use the cream one a little bit more because I can't feel it on my face. Now I can. And also because it's really going to settle down, okay? It's really not gonna, be this much. So always put on more blush. Okay, now let's find out my outfit. Okay guys, this is my outfit, this bow sweat and this white skirt. Really messy in my room currently, so I just don't want to show it to you all, but like, have a look. Get with these boots. Amazing. They look. I'll see you guys at the event. Okay guys, I'm finally here and let's go ahead inside and see what's happening. Yes. Okay, so after reaching there, I met a few creators, and then we were given this basket which contained a canvas where we call a beautiful mug, basically everything we needed to make our vision board. And also, we were given some magazines so that we can find some inspo pictures for our vision board. And there were some really good treats out there. We had some donuts, and then I started off cutting pictures for my vision board. Although it was a magazine, so I did not really find a lot of things because magazine mein you can't really, figure out what pictures you want to put in your vision board. So there weren't a lot, but I still tried, cutting off a few things that I wanted to buy or places or fitness goals that I see myself having in 2025. So it was definitely a task finding all of those pictures in a few magazines, but I did find a few
पैर आगे कर सही आ रही है तू भी हाँ
मैं भी सही आ रही हूँ.
नहीं हाथ मत कर पैर रखना आगे कर पैर आगे करो आगे आओ आप मेरे हाँ
The struggle that we are going through right now. Say hi to my vlog. Hi! Meet all of your favorite content creators over here.
say hi to my vlog too
Hi!
Hi. अब किसी ने हैंग करवाया तो बहुत अच्छी हो. Oh dear God.
Hey guys, I'm back home. It was such a fun day. I honestly had so much fun. And I guess I wouldn't show you my outfit, but like my room's a mess. Like I came back and I was regretting all the mess that I made because now I'll have to clean it up. Shit, this always happens and I hate it. But then again, it was a lovely day and I do not have a lot of footage from over there because I'm still not very open to shooting in public. I do get very anxious. I think it's with all of us and I don't know how to get over it. Matlab, I need to start vlogging more, and I don't know how to shoot in public, and I don't know how that's gonna work. But anyways, I'll start vlogging more often from now on. Okay, and I want to explore more areas. That was about it for the day. And agar मैं कुछ और करूँगी, I'll update you guys. But yeah, I'm so tired and I need to clean the mess that I've created. And all of this is because they fell out of my wardrobe. This was not on purpose, okay? This is my cute little jewelry box and I absolutely love it. And I think मैं इसका भी आपको बताऊंगी कि where did I get all the jewelry from. But that's for another day. And yeah.